Okay,
Wait, hold on.
here's Marty's presents.
Hey, ooh, I got a fart machine, number 2. I guess it's a 2.0. Let's see.
What else you got for Christmas?
Let's see. Oh, I got a little taco.
You got some pajamas to go along with your
I
other
could
pair.
wear this on Taco Tuesday if I want to.
Just push it.
Look at the birdies.
Is he coming?
Oh, it's a little frog. Ribbit. Ribbit. Ooh, there's pants. It's a Puma pants.
Poop pants.
Poop pants. Puma pants.
Okay.
Pull my pants.
Let's see. Oh, it looks like these were from Halloween. One has a white head, one has a white head with eyes, one has a black eye, and one is just incredibly dirty.
Show me how happy you are.
Oh, what is this?
Hold on, let me.
Mint candy. Mint candy. Ah! Scary.
Okay, do it again.
Two.
You didn't see that, right?
No,
Right, Marty?
Hi, guess.
Hi.
Hi, there's Elaine.
Got a bunch of
She already opened her
cheddar
presents at Thanksgiving.
cheese flavor. Cheddar cheese flavor. Yeah.
Well, maybe that was for Elaine.
Oh, got a planet of I don't know which planet that is actually. Ooh, is this a bouncy ball?
Oh my gosh, the bird really wants love.
Marty, he wants to participate.
Look, he's so jealous.
Ooh, I got a little minion.
Oh, Elaine broke your toy. Push it.
Motion spiral. Don't know what
Oh, poor bird.
got a little PJ Masks. Yep. Flanagan's
Show the camera
$20 gift card.
Oh yeah, we got him a $20 gift card.
$20 gift card. For fun.
Come on, Mom, bring the bird over here. You want
You go get him.
Yeah.
He bites me.
Go.
Won't bite you.
Oh God. Come here.
I got a Make It Blocks zombie.
Hold it
That
closer.
doesn't really look like a zombie. It looks. Oh, the bird wants you to scratch him.
He wants you to scratch him on his head. Yeah, there you go. Scratch him on the head.
It looks more like a witch than a zombie. And I got a 1-in-1 puzzles, 480 pieces.
There you go.
Yeah.
So you happy yet or no?
And there's still more. I got 1 underwear and socks. And it looks like that's it. Oh, yep, that's it.